Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Very happy to meet you all for the first time in this new year. We had to take a break due to some minor health issues, and we are really happy to see you all once again and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I am starting with a seasonal vegetable, that is this pigeon peas, fresh pigeon peas or tuvar. The tuvar dal which we use for sambar, this is the green one, and when you open the pod like this, you will get the green tuvar like this. So we are going to use this to make a side dish or a sabji which goes very well with chapati as well as with rice. So first take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Next add some mustard seeds, jeera. This is one large onion which I have finely chopped. Fry the onions well for a couple of minutes. Now when the onions become translucent, here I have 2 ripe red tomatoes also chopped fine. Add that too and again cook it together till the tomato is also soft. Now switch it off and remove it into your mixer jar. Allow it to cool down to room temperature, then we can blend it into a paste. Next, in the same pan, add a cup of water and allow it to come to a boil. Now when the water starts boiling, add this washed fresh pigeon peas or fresh green tuvar and allow it to cook and come to a boil. So you can check if the dal is cooked. It is cooked well. Now add some turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of homemade sambar powder, a little bit of hing, a teaspoon of dhania powder, now this is the ground paste of onions and tomato. And just added a cup of water to the blender jar and give it all a good mix. Finally we will add the salt and then to give it a very special touch, I am adding a teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala to this. It gives an awesome flavor. You try it. If you have, you add. If you don't have, then also it tastes good. But this adds a very special flavor to this. Let it all cook well and come to a boil once again till we reach the required consistency. See, it is boiling very well and reach the right consistency. Now we can switch this off and just top it up with a few fresh coriander leaves on top. And your fresh pigeon pea or fresh tuvar dal kurma is ready. I'll just make a few chapatis to go along with this. So you are ready to serve out our fresh pigeon pea or fresh tuvar kurma. Always a good idea to eat fresh seasonal food. So this will be available only for another month or so. So make the most of it. If you don't get fresh pigeon peas, you can substitute it with this mani avreka or mochaka as we call it. That is the field beans. That also you don't get that too. You can try it with fresh green peas. They all taste good, but rest of the masalas, everything remains the same. Also, instead of Pav Bhaji masala, you can substitute it with garam masala if you don't have Pav Bhaji masala at home. But definitely try out this recipe. Have it with chapatis or have it with rice too, and enjoy the meal, and give me your feedback as usual in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.